So here is how my final site at this point looks. I've added a Google font in here, and I have checked everything. And this says Ruth West, and this one goes to active. When I go to portfolio, portfolio becomes active. Come on, there it goes. Nothing in it, but it does come up. About comes up, content comes up, and each one of them changes as we go across. So, and I've changed my pictures up, I've done my colors, done everything I wanted to do. So let's go look and see what we need to be doing to finish this up. So for those of you who can't remember your Google fonts, let's just show and tell how to do that again. So with the Google fonts, you just go to your Google font. Nice spelling, Ruth. And you pick your font, and mine happened to be, I'm going to type Ruth West, so I got an idea. And I use special font. Let's go see if we can find it quickly. All right, my category was display. Okay, that will make it quicker. There it is. So when I selected it, and I figured out what size I wanted it, and the styles, then I said to select the style. I've gone to embed. I've grabbed this. Now this has to go into each page. So it has to go into about, it has to go into contact, it has to go into home, it has to go in portfolio. And then this goes in the rules. Now let's look and see how that looks. So here we are. So you can see here it is in there. It's right after the word head. And the CSS has got it in the nav link, because I want it everywhere, my H1 because I'm making it bigger here, and I put it in my Ruth, which is this coming up here. So all of those are coming up with that, but it has to go into every single one. Last but not what we need to do is do some commenting so that I know what you're doing. So if you want to comment in the CSS, so I can go up here and see the apply comment, and it'll ask this. This is the CSS one, Google font. Okay, so you want to always note where things are. I want some notes on your final work. Then we're going to go to the source code, and we're going to go here, and I'm going to say, I'm going to add a comment. Now this one is HTML comment, and this is going to say add a Google font. And I'm going to go down here and I'm going to say picture of Ruth, 2 columns. So what I want you to do, file, save all, is I want you to have made this as pretty as you can. Use only 2 or 3 colors. Notice that when I finally came down to it, that there's black and white, brown, so that beigey tone and that. So I stuck with my same colors. And what you want to do with portfolios, if you can, see if you can set in a column of 4. And that will set us up for the next week.